Good morning, all. Today we are going to learn how to make a non-perfect square number perfect square by multiplying it with a least number. So, before that, yesterday we done the questions how to find out given number is perfect cube or not. If it is a perfect cube, it has triplets. When we are prime factorizing, you are making into the group of 3. Each prime factor is appearing how many times? 3 times. So that type 1 question we will do from the exercise. This is a question from exercise 3.7, exercise 7.1, question number 1. Okay, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? So 216, that question we done. 128 also we done. Okay, 1000, that is an easy question. It is easy for you to divide. And 100, that also you can do. Then I am just going to do the difficult question. 46656. 46656. So I am just going the prime factorization. The prime factorization is here itself. That is 46656, 233 28, then dividing again with the 2, 11664, again with the 2, 5832, again with the 2, 2916, again with the 2, 1458, then again with the 2, we are 729. 729 is dividing with the 3, 243, 3 again 81, 3 again 27, again with the dividing 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 3 and 1. So 46656 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. That is, it can be written as the product of cubes. So there are, when we are grouping into the form of 3, there is no numbers left out. Therefore, we can say that it is a perfect cube. So the other part of the question, you are supposed to do it as homework. Okay. Now, the second question, there it is. The another question, that is 128 is a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number by which 128 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Okay, we want to check 128 is a perfect cube. We checked there in the yesterday itself. We checked. We said it is not a perfect cube. 2 is lefting out. It does not have a group of, we are not able to make it that 2 into the group of the 3. That is why. So just check. I'm just going to do it again. The prime factorizations. 128 is equal to 2 cube into 3. 128 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. Sorry, here what I said per prayer hand, I said I think it is 3. No, it is 2 only. So 128 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. So this is in a group of 3, this also in a group of 3, but these 2, there exists only 1 2 there. So what I have to do, if there were two more 2's there, 2 into 2, then it can be in the group of a group of 3. That is why I am just multiplying this with this 128 with a 2 into 2. So then 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 into 2 into 2. So 128 into 4 becomes 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. That is 128 into 4. If we are multiplying 128 by 4, it will become a perfect cube number. So what is the perfect cube number? 4 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 512. 512 is the perfect cube number there. That is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. In the question, they are just asking us to find out by which number it should be multiplying, then it is a perfect cube. Otherwise, the question can come like this also. Also find out the cube of, in the cube root, we will also find out the perfect cube number. Therefore, if the question is coming like that, perfect cube number is 512. The smallest number that to be multiplied is 4. Now I am going to do one more question. 675. 675, I am just going to show the division also. 675 I am dividing with a 5. That is equal to 1 then 3 5s are 15, 25, then 5 5s are 25, again with 5, 2 5s are 10, 35 7, then again with 3, 9 3s are 27, again with 3, 3 3s are 9, again with 3 1. So 675 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 cube. 5 into 5 into 3 cube. This 5 into 5, it is not a, it is the group of 2 only. Okay, I want to make it a perfect square by multiplying with the 675 with the least number. How can we make it a perfect cube? So if it should be a perfect cube, I have to multiply it with a 5. So 675 I am multiplying with a 5. So this also will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 cube. Therefore 5 cube into 3 cube. So the least number to be multiplied, is equal to is 5.